In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import an Excel file into Airtable, step by step. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your browser and head over to Airtable. Once the page loads, click the Login button and enter your credentials to access your workspace. You'll then want to either open an existing base or create a new one. If you're starting fresh, just click the plus icon to add a new base. Now, inside your base, look for the option that says Add or Import, which allows you to create a new table. Go ahead and click that, and from the menu that appears, select Excel file as the import source. This tells Airtable exactly what kind of data you're bringing in. Next, click the Choose File button. This will open your computer's file browser. Navigate to where your Excel file is saved. Select it and confirm the selection. If your Excel workbook contains multiple sheets, Airtable will prompt you to choose which worksheet you want to import. Pick the one that holds the data you need. After that, Airtable will scan your file and show you a preview of the detected fields and data. Take a moment to review this. It's a great opportunity to catch any issues before the import is finalized. You can adjust field types right here if something looks off, like making sure dates are recognized as date fields, or numbers are set as currency. Once you're satisfied, click Import or Finish to complete the process. After the import finishes, verify that your records and fields were imported correctly. Skim through a few rows to confirm everything landed in the right place. A few quick tips to keep in mind. Make sure your Excel file has clear column headers before you start. This helps Airtable map your data accurately. It's also a good idea to remove any unnecessary rows, columns, or formatting that might complicate the import. Afterward, double-check field types, especially for dates, numbers, and text, and test a sample of your imported records to ensure the data transferred cleanly. That's it. You've successfully imported an Excel file into Airtable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.